dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Justice Emeka Winter of the Federal High Court Abuja has adjourned the suit situated by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission against the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello. Moving on, we have the Attorney General of the Federation for Kogi State Governor, Yaya Bello, says that Efcc should not be obstructed. Alright, my people, welcome back to this wonderful channel as we bring you back-to-back update as it dey hot. In case it's your first time of joining this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn the notification bell to get notified whenever our news drops, so that now you go be the first to watch. My people no be small maths at the apple for this country. Daddy, whatever I carry, God give what I be say. Justice Emeka Winter of the Federal High Court Abuja has adjourned the suit instituted by the Economic and Financial Crime Commission (EFCC) against the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello, to April 23, 2024. The adjournment is for substituted service and possible arraignment of Bello for alleged 84 billion money laundering. At the assumed sitting, the counsel for the EFCC, Kemi Finero, told the court that the immediate past governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello, was absent from court for his arraignment because he was being protected by someone with immunity. Firo said that the former governor was weeks out of his Abuja residency by the same person with immunity. So he said that the anti-graft agents might seek the help of the military to fish him out, to confess his arraignment. Responding to this submission, Yaya Bello, through his counsel, Abdul Wahab Mohammed, told the court that there is an order of the court restraining the EFCC from arresting or arraigning Yaya Bello. Mohammed said Kogi State High Court had on February 8, 2024 restrained the EFCC from arresting or arraigning the former governor of Kogi State, Yaya Bello. He added that the EFCC has appealed the ruling and the Court of Appeal was yet to decide on the matter. He pointed out that the action of the EFCC was unconstitutional and the court lacked jurisdiction to entertain any charge from the EFCC. Counsel for the EFCC, however, disagreed with the submission of the counsel to Bello. The EFCC counsel held that the ruling in the substantive matter on the suit was delivered on March 17, 2024 by the Kogi State High Court. He cleared the air that the court in their ruling held that for the former governor to be arrested or arraigned, the EFCC must first seek leave from the court to do so. He said that it was in line with the judgment that EFCC, through the ex parte application, filed for the order seeking the arrest of the former governor of Kogi State, which was granted by the court. Counsel for Yaya Bello, however, insisted that before the court that the order for the ex-governor's arrest was made out of jurisdiction. He said the former governor is not a fugitive, but relying on the order of the Kogi State High Court to take protection. This man knows that his hand is not clean. That is why he didn't want to comply. Why is he running? This country na comedy, I swear. US former president no fit even miss court safe. But imagine ex-governor they miss court. The same Yaya Bello that wanted to be president after all his atrocity of looting. Not only that, he went on to install his cousin as governor so that they could continue from where he stopped. My people, this country are just comedy, I swear. Now the masses are saying that stealing money meant for public servants, looting public funds should be punishable by death. Otherwise, they will never stop stealing the government money meant for our infrastructure. They say that as it stands now, they should be picking up the current governor of the same state for obstruction of injustice instead of playing this cat and mouse game. Because it seems that the same governor now is safer where they arrest them. The state governor wield so much power unnecessarily, and it is the reason there is much corruption in the states. I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Moving on to the next one. The Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Latif Febami, has described as insufferable disquieting the obstruction to the arrest of former Kogi State Governor Yaya Bello by his successor Usman Ododo. In a statement on Thursday, the Attorney General of the Federation said that the Economic and Financial Crime Commission should not be obstructed from carrying out their lawful duties, a situation where public officials who are themselves subject to protection by law enforcement agents will set up a stratagem of obstruction to the civil and commendable efforts of the EFCC to perform their duty is to say the least. Insufferable disquieting, February said in the statement he personally signed. A flight from the law does not resolve issue at stake, but only exacerbate it. So he stands for the rule of law, and he'll promptly call EFCC and indeed any other agency to order when there is indication of any transgression of the fundamental rights of any Nigeria by any of the agencies. But he also tenaciously holds the view that institutions of states should be allowed to function effectively and efficiently that Bello serves as the governor of the North Central State from January 27, 2016 to January 27, 2024, where he handed over his fellow partyman in the All Progressive Congress, Usman Ododo. On Wednesday, EFCC operative besieged Bello's Abuja residency in the Wuse area with an attempt to arrest the ex-governor for possible arraignment for alleged 84 billion money laundering on Thursday. So after hours of laying siege to Bello's residence, his successor stormed the house and whisked away his principal, creating an atmosphere of chaos, which the anti-graft agents officially condemned as an attempt to frustrate their operation. Bello was absent in court on Thursday, and Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court, Abuja, adjourned the suit to April 23, 2024. In the statement, the Attorney General of Federation described as a drama of episode confronting the anti-graft agents, where people want to see as those who are supposed to be the law-abiding citizens, but they are using the law to their advantage. What even annoys me most is that there are people that have been languishing in jail for years for stealing silly things like 100k. But this guy looted 84 billion and he can't be captured. We need to remove immunity for governors to allow them being persecuted. Ododo decided to help his predecessor invade arrest using his own immunity as governor. Really? That's so bad. But what do you expect from a governor who openly told Kogi people to listen to Yaya Bello instead of him? If he gives order and Yaya Bello gives order, hey, they should follow that of Yaya Bello. That was the day I knew Kogi State has fallen into a deep mess for another 4 years, if not 8 years. We watched Donald Trump appear in court. Why is Yaya Bello avoiding appearance? Are you guilty? Or you don't trust Nigeria judiciary? Now one no. Why can't they declare him complicit? We are not ready in this country, honestly. People, the masses are angry. Some might even say that why are they entertaining the citizen with all this orchestrated drama when they could easily withdraw all the securities guiding the present governor. Once all these securities are withdrawn, he would be left with no choice but hand the fugitive ex-governor over to them. Hey, that is the way out. Nigerian judges are mockery of judiciary. That is what everybody are just complaining about. And most of them are not worthy of sitting in the bench. The link of corruption started from the retired judges, current judge, handling cases and lawyers. Guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Let's keep the conversation live in our comment section. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. But if you haven't subscribed to the page yet, please do also favor to like and subscribe and also share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified when else we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you all so much for staying to us. To all our viewers out there, thank you all so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment, stay safe, guys. Bye.